Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. And this today's tutorial we are going to learn how to add checkbox to a table in Google Sheets mobile app. Let's get started. First of all, open your Google Sheets app. Then you have to prepare your table, and here I have prepared my to-do list table, and I'm going to put checkbox to this B column. So I'm selecting B column. If you want to select the column, you have to tap and hold and then drag it down. And after you select the column, you can click on this three dots button. Then there will be several options for you, and you have to choose data validation right here. And then on the criteria right here, you have to click on it, then choose checkbox right here. After that, you can click on save button. Alright, and this is the check boxes that we have just added to the B column, and that's how we can add checkbox to a table in Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.